So welcome back class 8th, and today we are going to start the second chapter, that is linear equation in one variable. So before starting this chapter, let us see some expressions which we have gone through from our previous classes. Like you must have seen this kind of expression in class 7, 5x plus 2y, or simply we can say 5x. One more I am taking for example 2x minus 13 equals to 29. Isn't it? Okay, if you haven't seen equals to, so this is also an algebraic expression. Remembering or not, an expression which contain variable and constant is called an algebraic expression. Okay, now let us try to understand what is linear. What is linear? So let me write here linear expression. Expression means which express something, that is called expression. Okay. An algebraic expression in which degree, or we can say in which highest power of variable is 1. Understood? For example, I have written x, y, x plus 15, y plus 2. So these all are expressions. Like in this expression, what is the power of x? That is 1. Highest power of variable is 1. Here the power of y is 1. Here it contains two terms, x and 15. And what is variable? Variable is x. And what is its power? That is 1. So these all are the examples of linear expressions. Okay. Now it's time to understand equation. What is equation? It consists of two parts, LHS and RHS. LHS and RHS, which are connected by sign of equality. Suppose I am writing x is equals to 5. So this is an equation which tells us that it has left hand side is x and right hand side is 5, and both are connected with sign of equality. One more example we can take, y plus 2 equals to 9. On the left hand side there are two terms, and right hand side there is only one term. So this is called equation. Now if in this the algebraic expression is linear, what do I mean? I mean if the power of variable or the highest power of variable is 1, then this will be called linear equation. Getting or not? This will be called linear equation. And how many variables are there? Only one. So this will be called linear equation in one variable. That is our topic. So this kind of expressions are called linear equation in one variable. So if we want to define, how we will define? Simply we can write an algebraic equation in which the degree of, or we can say in which the highest power of variable is 1, that will call linear equation in one variable. Oh, let us write the definition of linear equation in one variable. An equation in what should I write? An equation in which the degree of an equation in one variable with highest power of variable is 1. This is called linear equation in one variable. Now let us understand by the example. Suppose someone has written x plus 13 equals to 27, and second example is x square plus 13 equals to 79, and third example is x plus y plus 17 equals to 47. Now we can see we have three equations, and we have to identify which kind of equations are these, or we just have to focus whether they are linear equation in one variable or not. So let us see here, this first one, let us consider. Here we can see this is an equation. Okay, now what we have to check whether it is linear equation or not. What is the degree of variable? What is the power of variable here? That is 1. So this is linear equation. In how many variables? There is only one variable, so this is the linear equation in one variable. So I am writing in short, abbreviation linear equation in one variable. Understood? In one variable. Now let us see second one. Is this an equation? Yes, because it has left hand side and right hand side. What about the power of variable term? That is 2. And if for being a linear equation, the power should be only 1. Understood? Highest power. But what highest power it has? It has 2 power. So it is not a linear equation. It is not a linear. So which kind of equation is this? This we will study in our next classes. In class 9th we will come to know that which kind of equation is this. Now pay attention in third part. Is it equation? Yes, because it has left hand side and right hand side. Okay. Second question, is it a linear equation? Let us check the power of variables. What is the power of x? That is 1. What is the power of y? That is 1. So it means it is a linear equation. Now in how many variables? Here are 2 variables, x and y, or simply you can say 2 alphabet. So it is a linear equation in 2 variables. Understood? In 2 variables. So pause the video and note it down. Now the next thing about linear equation in one variable is, so far we have got an idea that we have to deal only linear equation in one variable. Next thing is solving. What is solving a linear equation? Solving a linear equation. And what is the meaning of solving? Like question says, solve the linear equation. Or solving means, it means to find out the value of variable for the given argument. For the given argument. Now we will understand, and how we will find out the value of the variable for the given argument. Simply by transposing. Simply by transposing. Understood? So let us understand with the help of an example. Suppose we have given find out, or just it is result, solve the following equation, or simply written solve, and an equation is given to us 3x plus 15. Okay, let us start one by one. X plus 15 is equals to 20. Now let's see, solve means to find out the value of variable. What is variable here? X. And for what? This is the argument that sum of x and 15 should be equals to 20. So here I have written, we will do it by simply transposing. So solution will be, first we will note down the equation, x plus 15 is equals to 20. then we will transpose which term. It contains two terms, x and 15, so we will always transpose the constant term. Constant term means number, not variable. So if on the left hand side it is under the operation of addition, so on the right hand side it will be under the operation of subtraction. So this will be 20 minus 15 and the value of x will be 5. Now let us check whether our answer is correct or not. So no need to go to the answer sheet, you can directly check. Just in your mind put x equals to 5 here. 5 plus 15 will become 20. The left hand side is showing that the answer is 20, and at the same time the right hand side is also 20. Since left hand side is equals to right hand side, it means our answer is correct. Getting or not? Getting? Okay, let's see one more example. Second is solve 3x plus 15 equals to let's say 30. Okay, first we will transpose the terms which are under the operation of addition and subtraction. Later we will solve the terms which are under the operation of multiplication and division. This you have to remember. Understood? So how many terms are there? Two terms. Let's see, this term is under the operation of addition, so first we will subtract this term. So here it will be only 3x, this will be equals to 13 minus 15, then 3x will be equals to 15. And now ask from you, 3x means 3 into x. Understood? The sign of multiplication is invisible, you have to see it. So this 3 on the left hand side, it is under the operation of multiplication. So if we will transpose this to the right hand side, then this will be under the operation of division. So x will be equals to 15 divided by 3 and answer will be 5. Understood? So this is the way to solve given linear equation in one variable. Understood? Okay, pause the video and note it down. Now we are in the situation to solve exercise 2.1. And the first question, solve the following equation, and first question is x minus 2 is equals to 7. Solution, again remember what I told you. I have told you that solving means to find out the value of variable which satisfy the argument. And for that what we will do, we will go by transposing. Here are two terms, this is x and second term is minus 2. Which should I transpose? I should transpose the constant term, means number. So let us transpose. So this will be x equals to 7 plus 2, x equals to 9. And as you can check, it satisfies the condition. If I will put 9 here, so it will be 9 minus 2 will become 7. Left hand side is 7 and right hand side is also 7. So the answer is correct. Understood? Let us see. Second part, y plus 3 equals to 10. Simply y equals to 10 minus 3, and it will be y equals to 7. This is our answer. Third part. Okay, I am solving fourth part. That looks a little bit different. 3 by 7 plus x is equals to 17 over 7. What we have to do, we will transpose the like terms together. So here, what is the sign of 3 by 7? The sign is on left hand side. So if nothing is written here, it means addition. Let us transpose. So this x will be equals to 17 over 7 minus 3 over 7. So the answer will be 14 over 7, that will be 2. Understood? So by putting the value here, you can check yourself. Getting or not? Okay. Similarly, let's see sixth part. The parts which I am leaving, you will solve yourself. T by 5 equals to 10. Now let's see. What is the relation what is the operation between t and 5? T is divided by 5. T is divided by 5. So if I will transpose 5 on the right hand side, then 10 will be multiplied by 5. So this will be t equals to 5 times 10 and t will be 50. Getting? This is so simple, nothing, just like a piece of cake. Oh, so it has 12 part total. Now I am solving the last part, that is question, but last part is 12. X by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 by 15. So first, this is under the operation of addition. First we will transpose this. So this will be 7 by 15 minus 1. X by 3 is equals to 7 minus 15. We have taken the LCM. X by 3 is equals to, this will be minus 8 over 15. Now this is under the operation of division, so here if I will transpose, it will be under the operation of multiplication. So this will be times 3 divided by 5. You can simply cancel out 3 5 times 15, so answer will be minus 8 over 5, and no need to write down it in proper improper mixed fraction. In this class we will go by this. Understood? Because what is our focus? Our focus is to solve the given linear equation one variable or to find out the value of variable. Understood? Okay, so I think that's all for today, because here are total 12 questions. I have solved only 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 examples. So remaining 7 questions you will solve yourself. Understood? Remaining 7 questions you will solve yourself, and as soon as possible just watch the video, solve all the questions, mention your answers in the comment section. If any problem you can ask me. At the same time you have to send the pics of the work which is done by you to my WhatsApp number. Okay, see you in the next video. In the next video what we are going to understand, that is how to make we will be giving a situation, and on the basis of that situation we will be able to solve some kind of linear equation by forming. Understood? Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, and Jai Hind, and don't forget to subscribe.